Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. We are back with another 7 Python automation script that makes your life easier. So today we'll show you 7 practical Python automation scripts that will make your daily life and workflow much easier. Whether you are a student or a developer or a tech enthusiast, this is going to be very helpful for you all. So let's start. So the first one is rename multiple files. Okay. So the first one is to rename multiple files. So for this firstly we'll import OS and then we'll give the files we need to rename. So these are the files. We'll rename them. Okay. So this is a simple example that how we'll rename our file. So here we'll use enumerate function which gives a counter starting at 1. We create new names dynamically in a real folder. You would replace files with OS list directory folder. So now we'll see the output of this. So as we can see, our reimages are renamed and now we'll move on to the second one, which is auto summarize a CSV file. Okay. So for this firstly we'll import pandas as speed, then we'll create the data frame. Okay. So this will give you a summary table showing mean, minimum and max and pandas.data frame. This simulates your CSV file and describe function gives instant stats. Super useful and super helpful for quick data analysis. So let's see the output of this. So as we can see the output of this, how it summarized the data in a CSV file. And now we'll move on to the third one. So the third one is remove duplicate entries. Okay. So for this we'll import the library pandas and we'll create a data frame. So this is the simple data frame we created and now we'll clean it to remove the duplicate files. Okay. So here draw duplicate function removes the repeated rows instantly. It is great for cleaning data in seconds. So let's see the output. So as you can see, it removed the duplicate data and it printed the original and unique values only. So now let's move on to the fourth one, which is display current time and date automatically. So for this firstly we'll import the datetime module. So this imports the datetime module.ok. So here we imported the datetime module and strf time function formatted nicely and which is useful for reports and logs and datetime. Now our function fetches the exact system time. So let's see the output of this. So as you can see, it gave us the current date and time also. And now we'll move on to the next one, which is convert text to PDF. This is also a very important. So for this firstly we'll import fpdf from fpdf module. So here add page adds the page and this sends the font. So what happens here is fpdf is a easy and lightweight library to convert PDF into text and text into PDFs. So it is perfect for auto-generating small reports or notes. So this creates a file node PDF in your working directory. So let's see its output. So here we can see our PDF is saved as node PDF in our working directory. And now we'll move on to the next one, which is the sixth one. So it is search for a word in multiple text files. So for this firstly we'll import globe. It is library and now we'll give the keyword. So here we'll just find the keyword which is present in the file. So we'll see the output of this as globe. Globe text. This lists all the text file and reads each file and searches for your keyword. It's like mini search engine. So as you can see the output of this mini search engine. And now we'll move on to the seventh one. The seventh one is generate a random password. So for that we'll import our string and random. And now we'll define the characters. So this is we are defining that we need our password to include all these things. OK. So it generates a random password of 10 digits character. So here ask string letters. This define letters and digits and punctuations and random.sample picks 10 random 1 no repeats. It is great for quick secure password generation. So as we can see, our password is generated with 10 unique digits or 10 unique items we can say. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python videos and thanks for watching today's video.